And shifting focus for now, Finland's President Alexander Stubb is all set to visit Mumbai today as part of his ongoing state visit to the country. During the Mumbai leg of his visit, the Finnish president will meet the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Devendra Fadnavis. Stubb is even scheduled to interact with industry leaders and representatives from the business community tomorrow. Discussions will largely center around investment opportunities and partnerships between Finnish companies and Indian industries, particularly in the state of Maharashtra. Additionally, he is expected to address students at the University of Mumbai. Earlier, President Stubb held talks with Prime Minister Narendra Modi in New Delhi, where both sides discussed expanding strategic ties and even boosting collaboration in emerging technologies and sustainable development. Stubb also attended the Raisina dialogue with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. In fact, in recent months, Mumbai has witnessed several high-profile diplomatic visits. It was just last month that French President Emmanuel Macron visited India's financial and commercial hub, underlining its growing importance as a global business and investment destination. And getting us more details on the Finnish president's visit is our principal correspondent, Disha Yadav, who sent us this report from Mumbai.
Well, that is right. Mumbai is set to host another high-profile diplomatic visit with Finland President Alexander Stubb expected to arrive in the city on Friday afternoon. In the evening today, he's expected to meet Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, where discussions are likely to be around how to strengthen cooperation between India and Finland when it comes to sectors like technology, digital innovation, clean energy, as well as education for that matter. Tomorrow, he's expected to be involved in all the public events where he'll be meeting and interacting with the business leaders and representatives from various industries to further strengthen the economic partnership between Finnish companies as well as the Indian companies, particularly in Maharashtra. And later, to further strengthen the education scope between India and Finland, he will also address the students at Mumbai University. So all of this is going to be on his agenda during his visit here in Mumbai. Remember, the city is always known as a key gateway for global investments, and his visit is seen as a very significant move. This is Isha reporting here for WION from Mumbai.